everybody, how you doing? Yapah here. So today, I don't know, it's kind of a weird day today. I feel like my head's trying to do something weird. I have my water, my friend, and I have been drinking out of it. So I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of being led to do something else today besides doing a regular vlog or just vlogging period. So yeah, I might just chill today and edit some videos, edit some of the other vlogs that I have already, so that way I can kind of get a head start on that. Especially I have to post one for Wednesday, and normally I try to have like Sunday and Wednesday done and scheduled already, so that way I can just work on the next two and post and schedule, so that way it's kind of like posted two at a time, so that way I don't feel like I'm trying to rush to hurry up and get a vlog edited. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking today. I've started my process of making kefir. It's mostly to help with my son, and well, to help with everybody, but mostly my son and myself, because I have a skin condition. I have psoriasis, which sucks. So I know I didn't get it until after I got a specific, not gun, but the other thing that people put in their arms. So this was years ago, a long time ago, and I didn't have any skin issues until I got that. So now I'm hoping and praying that this kefir helps. It cleans out our gut, puts all the good stuff in our gut, and from the gut, it spreads to everywhere else. So that's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm praying for. Pray with us so that we can be our best selves. But yeah, I'm probably going to edit a video and check on the kefir, because it's kind of chilly in here in the house, and because it's kind of chillier, it takes longer for it to ferment. So I'm gonna check on that and probably do the process for that. It should be pretty much done or almost done. So yeah, I don't know. Today is kind of like up in the air. So this is obviously gonna be with the next vlog that I record, which will most likely be tomorrow's vlog. So yeah, I'm just not myself today, guys. I'm just but I hope you guys are great. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's kind of partly sunny. No, it's cloudy today, but the sun is like seeping through in certain parts of the clouds, so that's nice to have the sun still. I mean, it's mostly sunny here anyway in Vegas, so it's just kind of weird when it's not sunny, so you're like, oh, where's the sun? But yeah, I'm probably not gonna work on any clothes today. No patterns today. Nada. I'm kind of tired still. Yesterday, some sisters came over. Yesterday was Sunday, and some sisters came over, and I took their measurements for them. They're getting some dresses made for Passover. So yeah, they came over. We did that. That was fun. Had to kind of hang out with them a little more while taking their measurements, and like I would have loved to have done their dresses. It's 4 dresses total. So I would have loved to do them. However, in this state of pregnancy, that is not going to happen. And their dresses are like Victorian-like. Yeah, their dresses are Victorian era-like. So it's really fancy, like the little corsets and the big poofy skirt that goes with it. You know, so stuff like that. So that's a lot of layers that go. A lot of layers underneath the top of the skirt to make it puffy and all that. Right now, I do not have it in me. I have it in me to take the measurements, though, and I did that. So, accomplished. I did it. But I do need to work on someone else's Passover dress. They bought it from somewhere, and I need to make alterations on it. I had already started cutting it open while she was here, so at least that part's done. At least I don't have to cut it open and see what's going on in there. But Yeah, I gotta do that too. I did not wake up at 5 this morning, nor last week. I took a break from vlogging last week because I was really tired. I went to dance practice, and you guys know what happens when I go to dance practice. I have to recover. So it took me like 2 days. I didn't recover till like Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night. I was good Thursday. But Thursday, what happened Thursday? Thursday, I think we had to go see the midwife. Yeah, Thursday we had to see the midwife, so I wasn't going to be able to do much of anything, and I think I got up a little later that day than usual. So there's Thursday, and then Friday, I was just like, it's Friday, I'm just gonna... I think I edited a vlog Friday so that it'd be ready for Sunday. So I edited, and then Sunday I made the thumbnail for it and scheduled it for later on Sunday. 3 p.m. Pacific time, okay? West Coast. But yeah, so that's what I did last week, and then today's start of a new week, and I'm not feeling that great, so I'm just going to, and I'm here just talking to y'all. Time's flying by, and I ain't edit nothing. I'm just talking to y'all. So I'm gonna try to edit something, or do something. I'm gonna do something up until the point where it's time for them to take naps. I'm gonna take me a nap. I'm gonna eat something, take me a nap, and most I willing, I feel better when I get up. And yeah, pray for your sister, y'all. It's a little off today. I'm not myself, but keep me in your prayers. I'm cool though. Just, don't get worried or nothing. But I'm cool. I'm just not myself. I'm pregnant. So being pregnant and not having a great day, kind of just like, nah. But yeah, tomorrow, most I willing, I'm gonna work on this skirt. I still have to make the pockets for this skirt. I hate being backlogged on stuff. It sucks so much. But it is what it is, and it's gonna get done. So I'm gonna make the pockets for this skirt tomorrow based off of the pockets from the skirts that I showed you guys in the previous vlog. And then work on finishing this skirt, man. And then I gotta contact her to make sure to see about the colors and if she likes it and whatnot. So I'll probably do that tomorrow as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go do something. I'm gonna go do some stuff. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? In the next vlog. Sorry, this was just short and me just talking. But it'll be combined with the next one. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Have a great day. Great morning. Great afternoon. Great evening. Wherever you are in the world. And I'll talk to you guys later. Okay? Alright. Bye.
So good with the Lord, living new life. How many more days can you sit back stressing, living in a lie? And I know it's a time and a place to let go. A time that you reap and a time that you sow. And a time to confess all the sins that you chose. And I know I done seen this overflow. Sin after sin, giving in. It's a long life living in. Yeah. And I know now's not the time that you're really wasting. You need to come clean, man. You need to face it. Just face it. Chance after chance you've been giving. You the way you living and sinning again. Body after body, you been dropping. You feeling toxic. I see you burning within.